I'm just tryna check you out. I'm just tryna see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't tryna wild or stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just tryna link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I miss that. I ain't tryna rush through the chit chat. I'm tryna get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm tryna be with you, 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 girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do.
Hey cousins, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little show and tell on this unit for you guys. And this wig is from Beauty Forever, and when I tell y'all she's serving a look, baby, she's serving a look, okay? And I feel like this look is a little switch up, so I'm feeling it. If you guys are interested in checking out this company, I will have all of Beauty Forever's information linked down below in my description box, along with the direct link to this wig. So let me just hop right into this. The presentation was A1. The shipping on this wig was A1. This is day 2 of me wearing this wig, and the specs on this particular unit that I have on is Beauty Forever Hair's body wave unit, and it is a 13x4 wig. I have it in 150% density, which is perfect to me, especially for this time of year. And I have it in 20 inches as well, which they're giving you all the length that you need with this 20 inches. And this is the perfect hair to get if you want to have like that effortless look. That's what I'm going for today. I just wanted to rock it straight out the package, which you didn't have any smell, or I would not have been able to rock it straight out of the package. So A1 for that, Beauty Forever. The hairline looked pre-plucked, and in fact it is, but it still has like more density to it than I would like. And I went in and I tweezed it a little bit, but it definitely could still use a little bit more. But that's how it's looking right now. And I'll say it's looking really good. I think my cap construction is a medium-sized cap and it's fitting on my head very comfortably. The texture of this wig is Brazilian. And if you are familiar with Brazilian textures, it has like a nice little, let me come up close. It has a like great luster to it, and I feel like Brazilian texture looks really natural because it's not too silky. It has a little coarseness to it, but not too much. So it's perfect to hold a curl, which I probably will add a clip of me curling just the front. I will, as a matter of fact, when I get back, I'm going to go ahead and add a clip for you guys of me curling the front so you guys can see how this hair curls. You can straighten this wig as well. Once it's washed, I'm pretty sure this beautiful wave will die down just a little bit, but it still will have like that effortless look. I just love how versatile body wave wigs are because you can get many different looks in one, and they're low maintenance. I did sleep in this wig. I didn't get any tangling or anything yet. The shedding on this wig was very, very lightweight. I don't even get any shedding or anything when I'm running my fingers through it. I get maybe 1 or 2 strands when I brush through it so far. I haven't washed his hair, like I said. I can't tell y'all the exact longevity of this wig because this is only day 2 of me wearing it. However, I feel like this is the kind of unit that if you have proper care with this wig, like shampooing it and deep conditioning and everything, that it could last you a year plus. I feel like this video is pretty much self-explanatory because I didn't really want to disturb the natural texture. I just wanted this effortless wavy look, and I think I cheated. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair. Once again, I'll have all their social media links to their website, a $10 off coupon code, and a direct link to this wig, all the specifications and all that. And I want to know what you guys feel about this wig. Have you guys tried Beauty Forever Hair? Let us know down below. And until next time, if you aren't a part of my fam, you can become one of my cousins by subscribing to my channel. We will all love to have you a part of the OhSo gang. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. I know I gotta act up at the end, but I'm gonna be good because I got to go. But when I get back, I'm gonna be acting up again. Bye.